Dental crowns, often referred to as dental caps, are prosthetics, which are utilized to replace teeth that are damaged or degraded. The crowns are made to be custom fit on top of the tooth in order for restoring its form and size, strength as well as appearance. The use of dental crowns is common to treat dental issues for a myriad of reasons. In this clip, we'll examine what dental crowns actually are and how they're utilized. What is a dental crown? Crowns that resemble teeth are cap-like devices that are put on top of teeth to restore their dimension, shape the strength, appearance, and shape. They're made of many different materials such as porcelain, metal, ceramic, and resin. Every material comes with its distinct advantages and disadvantages, which is why it's crucial to speak with your dentist in order to choose which material is best suited to the specific requirements of your demands. The use of dental crowns is to fulfill a myriad of needs such as 1. A tooth with a weak structure. The use of dental crowns is to safeguard a weak tooth from decay and further harm. When a tooth is damaged by decay, an extensive filling, or even a root canal, dental crown could help to make the tooth stronger and guard it against further harm. 2. Repairing a cracked or worn tooth. Dental crowns are employed to help restore a cracked or badly worn tooth back in its former shape and size. If the tooth is fractured, broken, or weakened by grinding, or another cause, it is possible to use a crown for dental purposes. It could help in restoring the dental's appearance as well as functionality. 3. The process of covering a discolored or misshaped tooth with a dental crown. Crowns made of porcelain can also be used to mask the discolored or damaged tooth. If a tooth has been severely stained or discolored, it is possible for a crown of dental material to be put on top of the tooth to boost the appearance of the tooth. Dental crowns are also employed to conceal unbalanced or disfigured teeth to make a more even smile. 4. The support of a dental bridge. Dental crowns are typically utilized to strengthen dental bridges. Dental bridges are a prosthetic device which is utilized for the replacement of some or all missing teeth. Dental crowns are put over adjacent teeth in order to give support to the dental bridge as well as to keep the bridge in the correct position. Dental crowns, why do they exist? Dental crowns are utilized for many reasons. For example, the rehabilitation of teeth that are decayed, damaged, and the improvement in appearance of the teeth, and to support dental bridges. Crowns for dental use are an incredibly versatile and reliable procedure option, which helps to improve the functionality, health, and appearance of your teeth. Here are the primary reasons dentist crowns are utilized. 1. Repair of damaged teeth. Crowns of dental are often employed to fix damaged teeth that are damaged by dental decay, trauma, or other causes. The crown can be used to protect and strengthen teeth that have been injured and stop the development of decay and further damage. 2. Improved appearance of teeth. Dental crowns are also employed to boost the appearance of teeth that have discoloration, damaged, poorly shaped, or damaged. The crown of a dental tooth can disguise teeth that are discolored and offer more appealing and uniform appearance. 3. Dental crowns can protect weak teeth. Dental crowns can be used to safeguard weak teeth against further decay or injury. When a tooth has become damaged by decay, an extensive filling, or even a root canal, dental crown could help make the tooth stronger and more secure and stop it from fracture or breaking. 4. Support for dental bridges. Dental crowns are typically utilized to strengthen dental bridges. Dental bridges are a prosthetic device which is utilized for the replacement of some or all missing teeth. Dental crowns are put on the nearby teeth in order to give support to the dental bridge as well as to keep the bridge in the correct position. Dental crowns are versatile and powerful dental prosthetics. They are employed to fix the teeth that are decayed or damaged to make teeth appear more attractive as well as protect tooth decay and help support dental bridges. If you're in need of a crown for your dental, you should consult with your dentist regarding which treatment is best that meets your demands. Dental crowns are a great way to bring back the health, function as well as appearance of your smile and increase your overall health and dental hygiene.